What's up, everybody? Just wanted to let you guys know before I show you guys this video that this will be the first time I'll be showing you guys the new Job Sports Films intro, new and improved intro. And I'm excited to show you guys. Yeah, I'm watching a game right now, but just want to let you know real quick because I'm literally going to post this video right after this. So, yeah, this will be for Leafs Lightning warm-ups. You guys will be seeing the first, for the first time, Job Sports Films new intro, my new intro, and new outro that I created. I think you guys are going to like these ones. I think I cooked here, but you guys are going to see it in 3, 2, 1, go!
Right beside Nylander. He's in on goal. Three. Oh my goodness! Look out, give grab the other way. Touchdown! And a swing and a fly ball to left field. Back goes Arozarena. She's gone.
Solos is starting tonight. You can see Solos is starting. Here come the Bolts first. They're wearing the blue. I wanted blue. Right now. Boo! Here we go! Woo! Go, Leafs, go! Go, Leafs, go! Welcome back! Welcome back! Woo! Tesla coils. Went off. Tesla coils. Alright, let's see. Let's see what we can do. I'm gonna try, bro. I'm gonna try. We're just gonna try and see what happens. Hope for the best. JT! JT! Gold medalist! Oh, gold medalist is here. Tampa have all their players? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go! I haven't seen these jerseys in a while. These white jerseys. It's been at least a year. Let's go. They might live here. This would be the world, I tell you. Oh man. Robertson. Just gotta keep going. That's it. That's exactly what you have to do. Wow, we're back. We are back. Mecelli! Ah! Domi! Domi! Flores! Yeah! Nice! He loves playing here. Nice. He loves it. Love to see everybody back, man. Olympics are fun, but we gotta get back to work. Gotta try, bro. Oh, man. Let's go! Let's go! Oh my god, they're so loud. I feel it right in my ear. Holy crap. It's okay, you gotta get hype. Gotta get hype. You gotta feel happy for Matthew, so you know, like seriously, you gotta. Oh, look at that, they have the record up there too, I didn't notice that. Oh yeah, that's a good record. Let's just put it that way. Tampa's got a good record on them. First in the division. Damn. We made it, man. See, look how crowded it's over there. Yeah, like literally, I would never go to the Lightning penalty box. No way. Too crowded. Home team penalty box might be the worst idea for any kind of warm-up. You gotta go visit team penalty box. Visiting team bench is the worst. Willie! Oh yeah, there.
Johnny T.
He's right in front of me! John Jersey? I gotta get him. Come on, he's right here, man. I got him. Look at that. He's here! Good choice. I made the right choice. Now we just gotta get Matthews up here. Come on now. Gotta get Matthews here. Don't listen to the Islanders. They all suck. The Islanders suck. Don't listen to them. Oh man. Oh man. Let's go! I love it. I love it. I love it. Like, and if I did this in Toronto, that'd be crazy, man. I mean, even see, if I'm gonna see Leafs up close, I gotta go on the road. Like literally. I love this here. Where are Tampa has all their players? Big Dunn is here. Terry's here. Huh. Terry, huh? Let's go!
Carlo's a beast.
Come on! Come on!
Nice.
Do it to the beat, man. Let's go. Let's go. Hard Rock Tampa, shout out. And both times I was here for Atlantic Division game too. Just lost it last time. Oh my god, it went up! Look what he's doing. I wish I got all of this later. He's just tossing it up. He's just tossing it up. Let's go. Gotta get him too.
Matthias, Machelli! Machelli, bring
Give it to the kids, man. There you go. Nice one, nice one. Nice grab. Nice grab. You deserved it, bro. Nice grab, nice grab. Nice job, nice job. This is unbelievable. I see where we're sitting too. I don't know if we're at the very top. It doesn't look like too bad of a spot though. It's okay. Wow, I tell ya, pretty cool. I wonder how many of these players are gonna be staying, bro. I wonder.
I think it's
Riley!
Riley!
Riley! Oh my God!
God, my hands are hurting.
Obviously. That's how it is. That's how it is. Your hands are gonna hurt. Let's go.
Riley!
Let's go. Do a little bit longer, what the heck? Do a little bit longer. Flippin' night of my life. Flippin'. Flippin'. You know. Flippin'.
Skechers got all good flow.
Look at him now. Look at him now. He's doing it. He's doing it. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it. I got that perfectly. That was awesome. That was awesome. Okay, now if I get one, that was just for me. Let's go. Let's see if we get one more, man. One more. One more. Come on, one more. One more, boys. One more. One more. If not, you know what? I'll be here. I'll be tomorrow, bro. Sorry, I'll try to get it tomorrow. If not,
It's still 6 minutes, so we're good.
still time. We'll just stay down here, man.
Scott!
Let's go.
Stick two.
Let's go. Woo! Let's go. Wow, I love it, man. So much different with the Leafs, man.
Yeah, perfect.
I would not be able to do this in Scotiabank. No way. But you're in Tampa, yeah, you can. Oh, yeah. I don't know what that thing is. Like a device or something. Awesome. bit of what it says, Tim. Yeah, that's the matchup. We lost. Oh my god. Man, they're doing a lot. Wow, 3 now. 3. That's pretty good. 3 pucks. Leafs are generous, man. They're generous tonight.
Canadians are always nice.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true. That's true. That is true. Oh my god. Benoit! Ah! Oh. Make it 4! Make it 4! Make it 4! That was on the other side. Wait, give it to me. No. We try, boys. We try. We try. Come on, now. We blend. We blend. All blue and white matchup. Let's get it, bro. I like it. I like blue and white. Wow. Gold medal player. Gold medal player. Gold medal. It's weird. Wins a gold medal, but he has to put a leaf on his chest. Oh my god. Amazing.
Watch for the kids is wild. Watch for the kids.
240. 240 left. 240. Gotta do it again tomorrow. Let's go. Let's go. Slap shot time. Like 2 minutes left. I don't know. We'll try. We'll try. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. See if we got lucky. It's worth trying. It's worth trying for an extra 2. They're pretty much done. I mean, what, 125? I barely got the balls today. Thank God I have a blue jersey on this time. No black. No black jersey this time. Thank God. Last time I wore black when I was here. Last time. I'm gonna probably head out. I mean, yeah, it's pretty much done now. Let's give you guys one more look. I'm gonna just go up. Alright.
Played at the side of the goal in front of the net.